All right, let's get in this creek. Hey, what's the name of this creek again? Yeah, it's limestone. It's a slippery hill. All right, into the water we go. So today, y'all, I'm gonna be running this Bobby Garland GloMo. It's supposed to glow in the dark. I think it's really designed for ice fishing, but we're gonna try this out in this 36-degree creek here. So somewhere in here, there's fish to be caught. We just gotta find them.
Pouring rain, oh, to hear that train. There's
Oh my God.
get on.
Garrett, buddy, you better get moving. We're gonna run your ass right over.
Yeah.
What's right there, Gavin? What's in front of me? You just walked through there.
Oh yeah, there's a log.
Log's right there.
Yeah, they're kind of scared.
Whew, that's a deep hole.
Yeah.
That's all. You getting snagged up in there, scaring what fish is in there away. No, you're fine, dude. What you gotta do to get fishing again? Who's to say we aren't gonna catch anything here? That is really deep right there, dude. What was it?
Falling leaves like the
Finally get it. Well, hey, you're right by your tackle box at least.
I'ma pack my grip. One more trip, and I'ma move on.
Go. There we go. Good looking bass. Yeah. Little spot bass. Hey, he's a powerhouse too, guys.
Look at that.
Look how strong he is. I don't know if that's a bass or if it's a giant chub. The way his mouth is. Yeah, cool fish though, guys. All right, let's see if we can get another one. Just chilling right here by my feet. I didn't know what I had at first. I couldn't believe how strong that thing was though, for real, dude. Yeah, I want to go down a little bit further. I just want to walk down a little bit further, but I think that water's too deep for me just to walk through. And now I just want to fish all the way to Hollybrook. Stop when it gets dark or stop when the battery dies. I'm going tomorrow, I think. Well, I like the Bobby Garland. They're soft. They got a lot of action, but yeah, they're a little too soft. They do rip easily. That's my review on that.
Yep.
That there just looks deep. There's got to be a fish in there.
Yes.
It's probably well aware that we're here, but there's got to be a fish right here. I think I'm just going to hit this little bit of hole right here on the other side of us.
Following you.
Wherever you go, Dad, I'm in.
Well, that depends. I want to go down there. I'm turning around. I'm not walking all the way down there. If it was summer time, I would have walked down there.
Damn it. Maybe it right here for me. I am not tying on another lure with these cold ass hands. Come on, man, just let go. I won. Our last stand.
Oh, deer season's over.
Look at this hole.
Deer.
Yeah.
Could have went a little deeper. Yep.
Got him.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I got him.
He sucked.
I barely felt him. Barely felt him hit it. Another little spot. Right on, guys.
They're fat too, aren't they?
2 for the day. If this is all I catch, I'll be a happy man. Yeah, they're pretty fat.
Yeah.
Little spots. I barely felt him, just barely bumped it. I thought I hit ground.
Oh, wow.
All right, get back in there, buddy. You got a long winter ahead of you. All right, guys. We are back and ready for another round of winter fishing. Today we are at White Lick Creek here at the Mooresville location. This creek is well known for smallies. It's got some big smallies in it. We're hoping maybe we can find some today. There we go. We're doing that Bobby Garland GloMo again today, guys. We got a few other colors of these little shads, but I'm in absolute love with these little chartreuse glow in the dark, guys. This creek is actually pretty clear. It's an old creek. Garrett calls it a river because it gets really big and really deep in some areas. Oh, here we are. The beautiful White Lick Creek. Last time we came here, guys, this water was really up. We were trying to throw light tackle and it was just like sucking us into everything. Well, let's catch some fish, guys. What do you say? So we'll be catching something today. All right, so we're just looking for deep holes, guys. Trying to figure out where these fish might be chilling out at. Looks like some big rocks. Maybe it's, oh, the current's a little rough here. Yeah, looks like we can go right on through this. All right, we'll walk up and around here. Kind of places I'm looking for, folks. I like to see where the water's rushing hard into an area like that. And then you got this little pocket here off to the side. Bait fish will tend to take a break in this area from the current, which usually leaves big fish just chilling in here waiting for the dinner bell.
Across the track, don't look back. All the jack won't roll on. City lights will blind your eyes. Don't look twice.
See just how much bank we can get down across today. We got here a little earlier today. Yesterday we didn't get into the water until about 3 o'clock, so we only left ourselves with 2 hours. What's that? Yeah, it drops off on the ledge over there. We better get marching, guys, if we're gonna find some fish. There we go. This is looking good right here. It's one of the pools I'm talking about. Got a nice deep pool right there. And also over here to our right. It just looks so good and so deep. I mean, just look at that, just drop. Whew. Big old dropping slope. We get out here on this bed. There's got to be fish in here. Whether we can find them or not is another thing, but so it's some really deep water right here, folks. So whenever I cast, I like to just give it a few seconds, let my lure sink down to the bottom. Oh, nice, Kevin. Smallie. Nice smallie.
Yeah, that's a good smallie. Yeah, dude, that's a good smallie. Yeah. Bro, that's a good smallie right there.
Beautiful fish, man. Beautiful fish.
Dude,
All
I'm
right.
literally gonna be looking.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Right up underneath that structure, huh?
Yep. Right underneath it. Let's go.
The Bobby Garland. Gavin's using a Bobby Garland with a Roadrunner head on it. That may be the deciding factor today.
Smallie for sure.
Yeah, it's a nice smallie, dude. Not bad at all.
Go, little buddy.
He done thought he was snagged.
Go. Yes, sir. That's my first fish of the year.
Yeah,
Let's go.
it's a nice one too, man.
Oh yeah. Dude.
I think that's my first fish of the year.
Powerhouse too, guys.
Look at that. That's a good smallie right there.
I'm a rolling stone, bound to roam. Come the morning, or I'll be gone. Pouring rain.
Alright guys, so we're now back at the car. It was pretty good today. I caught my first fish of the year. Pretty excited about that. The walk, pretty bad, and walking back was worse. Yesterday was awesome. Got whipped by my dad with 2 fish, but then today I got to do the whooping. So I'm pretty happy about that. And make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video, and hope you enjoyed.